Hi, everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. Given what's going on today, Google's North Star of being helpful to people feels more important than ever.
Today, I am really excited to introduce Google TV. I'll see a row of tailored recommendations from across all my favorite streaming subscriptions, all in one place. Another great feature that we brought to Google TV is a watch list, which gives you one easy place to bookmark movies and shows that you want to save for later. You can even add to your watch list from your phone or your laptop, and it'll be waiting for you on your TV when you get home. With YouTube TV fully integrated, you need never miss live events. You can record from your phone, as well as get unlimited DVR functionality. You can also play music from your favorite services, and in ambient mode, turn your TV into your large digital photo frame, showing all the favorite pictures you've taken. It even works with your Nest cameras and doorbells. Today, Google TV is making its debut on the all-new Chromecast.
And the biggest news here is the addition of a remote to help you navigate with either your finger or your voice. And with the assistant button, it's so easy. You just press it and you ask it what you want, and it just magically shows up. The new Chromecast remote has a floating stance that invites you to pick it up, and it comes in 3 distinct colors that live naturally in their surroundings: snow, sky, and sunrise. We also have dedicated buttons for today's most popular streaming services like Netflix and YouTube to give you even quicker access to the content that you love. And the new Chromecast with Google TV is available today for just $49.99 in the US, and it's coming to more countries by the end of this year.
Today, we're introducing a new product to our family. Meet Nest Audio for listening to music for only $99. What's really great with Nest Audio as well as Nest Mini is that they all work together seamlessly. One that can easily connect with other Nest speakers and displays, and it can be the center of your whole home audio system. More bass, more volume, and maintaining that natural, clear sound. Nest Audio delivers 50% more bass, 75% more volume than the original Google Home. We introduced a 19mm tweeter for consistent high-frequency coverage and clear vocals, and added a 75mm mid-woofer that really brings that bass. And it's available for $99.
This year, we launched the Pixel 4a, and it's selling even faster than the 3a. And today, we're introducing the 5G version, Pixel 4a 5G. It has a larger edge-to-edge OLED display and a more powerful battery. The Pixel 4a 5G starts at only $499. So we're introducing the new Pixel 5, which brings together the best of Google's 5G experiences with water resistance, 8 GB of RAM, and wireless and reverse wireless charging. So you can use it with your Pixel stand or to charge your Pixel Buds on the go.
5G and Google Duo can make connecting with friends and family more engaging and entertaining. Not only can you connect with anyone on any phone, you can now share your screen and watch videos together. Pixel 5G and Stadia combine to create an instantaneous gaming experience. Today's biggest games ready wherever you are.
Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G share the same front and rear camera system. Starting with the hardware, we've put a new ultra-wide lens on the back, and HDR Plus has received a serious upgrade, like exposure bracketing, to help you take even clearer, sharper photos. The new ultra-wide lens on the back lets you capture more of the scene in both your photos and videos. So we've added night sight to our portrait mode. For those evening strolls or backyard s'mores, this combination allows the subject in the foreground to stand out even in low light. We improved portrait mode with a new feature we call Portrait Light. With Portrait Light, you can illuminate your portraits even when you're backlit against a beautiful sunset or have a harsh shadow on your face from the bright sun above you. You can even apply this lighting effect in the newly redesigned Google Photos editor to a portrait you took 5 years ago. We've added 3 new stabilization modes: Locked, Active, and Cinematic Pan. Cinematic Pan lets you make the everyday look like a movie. It creates sweeping, dramatic Hollywood effects through stabilizing and slowing down the motion by 2x.
And we're also launching Extreme Battery Saver that lets you decide what essential apps you want to keep on while everything else gets paused. It helps you increase your battery life for up to 48 hours With these phones, you get 3 years of Android OS and security updates. And the Titan M chip helps to keep your operating system, passwords, and transactions safe. Our new feature, Hold For Me, builds on the smarts of duplex and call screen to help save you time. Google Assistant will wait on hold for you and alert you when someone comes on the line and is ready to speak to you.
And for those of you who will be purchasing one of our new 5G phones, you'll be getting even more. 3 months of Stadia Pro, YouTube Premium, 100 gigabytes of storage with Google One, and Play Pass and Play Points all on us. They start at only $499.
Thanks for spending some time with us.
We got ACC, Adult Swim, Animal Planet, and AMC. You can watch BBC, America, World News, BET, and Bravo. While you eating nachos? The chips are looking salty, man. You need a little cheddar. We got Big Ten Network, Cartoon Network, CBS, and Cheddar. We got CMT, CNBC, CNN. I'm giggling at Comedy Central.